You want food? Oh my god! What is wrong with you?
I usually hear it, what do you say this one is? It's just pretty long,
Non, encore lisse. T'es pas content là? Oh, t'es en crise là? Oui, je suis.
So I heard if you give your animal an egg, it knows to take care of it because it's super fragile. Oh.
Excuse me? Excuse me?
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh. We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
Hey, Uno, you want some catnip? He's like, give me that catnip. Here you go. Yes, you're very happy kitty. All right, sir, I think you've had enough. Give me that. Oh. He's like, I'm not done yet, though.
Rest in peace. Bog, in a box. Wake up. Oh.
Look at the way he's just holding the camera.